Hi, this is Like. I'm from VGN Hazel. This is a 781 unit, 14-story building in 5.6 acres. This is one of the first project, the luxury apartment that VGN is doing, multi-story. And we're also coming up with a compact 2 BHK, 578 square feet, which comes about 22 lakhs net cost. And Indiabulls is also giving an offer, which is where you just pay 5%. 90% will be funded by Indiabulls, and another 5% will be paid next year by the customer. So customer contribution comes down drastically to 10%, and 90% is funded by Indiabulls. And this project will be handed over end of next year. It has all amenities, 24,000 square feet of a clubhouse, which will have your gymnasium, swimming pool, indoor games room. Even we have home theater inside with a 50-seater. So it's going to be more of a very highly ventilated project and very spacious setback, which is in the project as well. Each flat you're looking at 570, 578 for a compact 2 BHK, and then a normal 2 BHK is from 1,057 goes up to 1,107, and then from 1,400 to 1,600 is a 3 BHK. No, as in we'll be, maintenance will start after the handing over. We'll do it for quite some time till we educate the customers how to take care of the maintenance, hand it over to the association. Totally 781 flats are coming up, yes. Children, we have a children's play area, we have a clubhouse facilities, indoor games room. Apart from that, in the OSR also we are providing outdoor facilities, providing a basketball court, badminton court, as well as a skating ring is coming in the OSR. So children will have a lot of space for play, and we also have PlayStation alleys in the clubhouse. So even that will be taken care of. Video games and all also be taken care of as well. Here, Avadi station is just 3 kilometers away. Bus stand is just right on the main road, and 9 kilometers is Porur signal, and 3 kilometers is Purnamali road. 4 kilometers is Avadi. So it's right between Purnamali and Avadi. So making it a more of a central hub for to go to any places. Exactly. We have Raki Cinemas, which is very close by. Apart from that, you have PVR Cinemas in Ampa Mall, which is also close by. You have a lot of entertainment sectors coming out. More of a developing area, being in the midst of Purnamali and Porur and Avadi. It's a highly developing area, and it's a state highway, which is eventually going to be made as a 6-way highway as well very soon. Customer response has been very good. Whoever comes to the site, out of 10 people, 6 people buy the property. The 4 people, it takes some time inquire with the loan and everything. So that is why for the compact 2 BHK, we have come up with the scheme of 595 scheme with Indiabulls, which where the burden comes down drastically. Yeah, a lot of people, the young crowd is going for the top floors because they realize, top floors has a very good view, mainly no mosquitoes at all. So more of the older people, they prefer still the lower floors, but the trend is changing drastically in Chennai as well. So
overall, how do you look at the real estate? Is it a good time to?
It is picking up. After elections, I think it should pick up. It is a good times are coming. The cycle is over, so I think the good times should start.
So which is the prospective locality that you look at?
See, there's a lot of places. OMR is one IT hub. Apart from that, the places where we're looking at Purnamali, Avadi, Ambattur, these areas are more of industrial hub with a new greenfield airport which is coming up, which will generating a lot of activity in the area. People are looking at Tiruvallur, Ambattur can buy here in Purnamali, Avadi, which is at 3,000 rupees, where in Ambattur today is at about 4,000, Tiruvallur is 4,000, Porur is about 5,000. So this area is very competitive in rates, 3,000 rupees. So a lot of activities happening in this area as an industrial belt are growing in Chennai. So that's where this will, in future, it's more of one of the developing areas where you'll have a lot of good market.
So any other projects that you have planned in other areas where the foundation is laid?
No, as of now, this, yeah, exactly, yes. Thank you so much.